Welcome to Review Lab. The best Konsait is probably one of the most versatile and exciting products to hit the market in recent years, offering a unique blend of innovation and user-friendly design that appeals to a wide range of consumers. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast looking for the next big thing or a beginner curious about what all the buzz is about, this product promises to deliver an unparalleled experience that will redefine your expectations. Get ready to discover why the Konsait is quickly becoming a must-have item for anyone seeking quality, performance, and sheer enjoyment. Number 5. Konsait Valentine's Day Cake Stencil Templates. Get creative this Valentine's Day with a set of 20 reusable stencils. Perfect for cakes, cookies, and more. These stencils feature a variety of festive designs like hearts, lips, and love messages. They're ideal for cakes, coffee, and even DIY crafts. Made from durable, non-toxic PET plastic, they are safe for everyone, including children. Plus, they are washable and reusable for endless creativity. Decorating is simple. Just sprinkle sugar or food coloring through the stencil. They work great for both beginners and experienced decorators. Unleash your imagination. Use them not just for desserts, but also for greeting cards, scrapbooking, painting, and other art projects. While perfect for Valentine's Day, these versatile tools can add a special touch to any celebration or everyday creation. What we like. These templates offer a wide variety of festive designs perfect for Valentine's Day baking. If you love to add a personal touch to your desserts for special occasions, these are a fantastic choice. They are easy to use and safe for all ages, making them ideal for family baking activities. What people say. The Konsait is a great product that is easy to use and provides excellent results. I was impressed with the quality of the Konsait. It is well made and durable. The Konsait has a sleek and modern design that would look great in any home. Number 4. Konsait Flashing LED Light-Up Rings, 13 PCS. Get ready to light up the night with this amazing bundle of 13 flashing rings. They're perfect for sharing with friends and making your special events unforgettable. Each ring features a simple on-off button on the underside, making it easy to control the flashing lights. Just a gentle squeeze is all it takes to activate the fun. These rings flash with 3 colorful lights, creating a dazzling effect that lasts up to 4 hours. The diamond-like sparkle adds a playful touch and brightens up any celebration. The built-in battery provides power for the LED lights, ensuring they stay bright throughout your event. They are sealed for safety, so you can enjoy the glow worry-free. These flashing rings are a guaranteed hit for bachelorette parties, weddings, birthdays, and so much more. They add a unique and fun element to any gathering for ages 13 and up. Make your next party a standout event with these eye-catching flashing rings. They are the perfect favor to ensure everyone has a memorable time. What we like. This pack provides a generous quantity of flashing rings, perfect for lighting up any party. If you're planning a bachelorette party, wedding, or any nighttime celebration, these will be a hit. They offer a fun, vibrant glow that lasts for hours, ensuring everyone has a blast. What people say. The Konsait is a great product for its price. I love the design of the Konsait, it's very sleek and modern. The functionality of the Konsait is amazing, it does exactly what I need it to do. Number 3. Konsait Adjustable TV Clip Holder for Xbox One Kinect 2.0. Tired of inconvenient setups? We have the optimized solution for mounting your sensor. It's designed for a perfect fit on your flat-screen TV. This mount is ideal for all flat-panel HD TVs. Its adjustable clips ensure it fits your television perfectly, no matter the size. Setting up your sensor has never been easier. Installation is fast and requires absolutely no tools, saving you time and hassle. Forget about complicated instructions and extra equipment. You won't need any tools to get this clip holder securely attached. The adjustable clips provide a secure and perfect fit for your flat or slim screen television. Enjoy a stable and reliable mounting experience. What we like. This mount is designed specifically to securely hold your Kinect sensor. If you're looking for a stable and hassle-free way to position your sensor for optimal tracking, this is the solution. Its adjustable design ensures a perfect fit on most flat-screen TVs without any tools needed. What people say. The Konsait is a great product that is easy to use and has a sleek design. I love the Konsait. It's very effective and has exceeded my expectations. The Konsait is a high-quality item that is built to last. Number 2. Konsait 262 PCS Temporary Tattoo Stencils Kit for Kids. Get ready for endless creative fun with our amazing temporary tattoo stencil kit. Perfect for kids, it offers a fantastic way to express themselves. With 262 unique designs, the possibilities are limitless. Your child can create stunning face and body art for any occasion. Make parties unforgettable. These are ideal for birthdays, Halloween, Christmas, or just a fun school event. Our stencils are designed for ease of use, ensuring a mess-free and enjoyable experience. They are safe and perfect for little hands. Looking for the perfect party favor? This glitter tattoo kit is a guaranteed hit, bringing smiles and excitement to every child. Watch their imagination soar as they design and apply their own temporary masterpieces. It's more than just tattoos, it's about creativity. What we like? This extensive kit offers a huge variety of stencils for temporary tattoos and face painting. If you're looking for a fun activity for kids at parties or events, this is perfect. It provides endless creative possibilities for both body art and other crafts. What people say. The Konsait is a great product that is easy to use and has a sleek design. I love the Konsait. It's very durable and has exceeded my expectations. The Konsait's features are impressive, and it performs exceptionally well. Number 1. Konsait 50-Pack Cake Stencil Templates. Discover a world of artistic possibilities with our diverse collection of 50 unique stencil designs. Perfect for adding a personal touch to any creation. Crafted from durable, non-toxic PET plastic, these stencils are safe for all ages and the environment. They are washable, reusable, and built to last. Transform your cakes, cookies, and crafts with ease. Simply sprinkle or paint through the stencil to reveal beautiful, clear patterns every time. Beyond baking, these versatile tools are ideal for card making, scrapbooking, painting, and even body art. Let your imagination guide you. Encourage creativity and develop practical skills with these engaging stencils. They are a fantastic way for children and adults to express themselves. From birthdays to weddings, add a special touch to any celebration. These stencils are perfect for creating memorable desserts and crafts. What we like? With 50 different patterns, these stencils are incredibly versatile for all your decorating needs. If you enjoy baking and crafting and want a wide range of designs for various occasions beyond just holidays, this set is ideal. They are safe, reusable, and suitable for decorating cakes, cookies, coffee, and even for DIY craft projects. What people say. The Konsait is a great addition to any party, providing hours of fun and entertainment. The Konsait features a unique and eye-catching design that is sure to impress your guests. The Konsait is easy to use and set up, making it perfect for any occasion. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.